Hi everyone. In this video we will go over how to install the RH drawing sheet template. That is the template that you will use every time you turn in a drawing sheet for Inventor. For all the parts you create, you're going to make a drawing sheet. For the assembly, you're going to make a drawing sheet. Every time we turn something into Canvas, it'll be on a drawing sheet. So let's go ahead and figure out how to download it. So if you look under Wednesday 3/25/20, you see RH drawing sheet template.idw. We're going to click on that. And then here it is. And so down at the bottom, it pops up. We click. This should open Inventor. And if you've never opened Inventor before, you're going to have to go through and do your email address and do your product key and all that. There's a video in the Inventor tutorials module that'll help walk you through that process. If you've already taken care of that, then you should have Inventor open up pretty easily. When Inventor opens, it should have the drawing sheet template readily available right there on the front. Hopefully it'll open directly to that. Now this is a drawing sheet that I designed for my students. It was designed so that when you print it on a standard printer, everything will fit on the drawing sheet. In the engineering world, they use very large format printers, and they're printing out large sheets of paper. Could be poster paper, kind of like blueprints, but it can also be a little bit smaller than that, but bigger than your regular legal paper. So it was important that I design a drawing sheet that would fit our printer, and that's what this is. So as you can tell, it's Inventor still thinking. Give it some time. Don't try and click it 2 or 3 times. That'll just slow everything down. So here is the drawing sheet. It simply says Rockwell High School, the name of the part, the student name, and the class period. All this will get filled out whenever you create a part, and I'll show you how to do that in a different video. Now that we have it open, we need to go to File. We need to Save As. Don't click Save As. Hover and let it open this window. If you click Save As, it's just going to go straight to this one. But we actually want to choose this. Save Copy as Template. It's going to put the template here where it says Standard. We're going to have RH Drawing Sheet Template. And that's what we want. So I just deleted the 2 in parentheses because that's not technically part of the name. Doesn't really matter. So if I click Save, we should have that template saved. Let's find out. So go to Close down here at the bottom. Go to New. And here is our choice screen. We can use standard, we can make standard parts, we can make standard assemblies, and we could do a standard drawing sheet, but we're not. This is what we're using, RH drawing sheet. So if you saved it properly, RH drawing sheet should show up in this little window right here.